Defense Secretary Teodoro, muling binanata ng China sa di nito pagkilala sa 2016 arbitral ruling sa West Philippine Sea, sa harap ng unang dekadang anibersaryo nito. Ibinida ni Department of Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. ang pagsisiwalat sa buong mundo ng mga mararahas at agresibong aktibidad ng China sa West Philippine Sea, dahil sa Transparency Initiative na inilunsad ng Pilipinas.
Activities of China in this sphere are well publicized to the world because of the Transparency Initiative in the South China Sea and the West Philippine Sea, which has been entered into by several interested countries, particularly the Philippines. Yet, the People's Republic of China, upon which this award is legally binding, not only continues to ignore, but is actively waging a campaign of misinformation and disinformation at all levels to nullify